Hello, this is Rob from Chris W Roads in Ripley. Here we have a Toyota CHR in Dakuma Grey Metallic with some 18-inch two-tone alloy wheels. It's a great looking car, it's a really modern shape. Have a quick look at the interior. We've got some really comfortable part leather upholstery and some great features to get onto a bit later on in the video. Now if I just take a seat in the back, I'll show you the space situation back here. So I'm sat down, I've got plenty of knee room, plenty of headroom up above. The seat in front is in my driving position and I'm about 5'10", so it's good to know that you can fit adults in the back in plenty of comfort. Have a look at the boot space situation as well. We've got a really good sized boot. The loading bay's got plenty of depth to it, so it keeps the car nice and practical. If we come around to the side, we'll have a look at the shape of it. The shape is almost futuristic. It's got some great sort of lines, curves and points going on. It looks really, really modern, really unique. And if we come around to the front, you'll see it looks great from that angle too. So now let's have a quick look at the interior. Okay, so we've got some audio, volume and Bluetooth controls here. We've got the speed limiter down here and the cruise control down here as well. Quick look at the screen and you'll see we've currently got the map up for the sat-nav, which is a great size. It's in colour and it's lovely and clear. We've got this phone option down here to pair up a device with the car's Bluetooth. And if we go up to the top here, we get the audio, which as you can see we've got DAB digital radio. If I just pop the car into reverse, you'll see we've got a rear view camera which makes life easier in the car park. We've got the dual zone air conditioning down here, so both sides can be adjusted independently from one another, which is pretty useful. And you've got driver and passenger side heated seats, which are nice in cold weather. Cup holder down here, which is always useful. You've got automatic gear shift, which is really neatly presented there. You've got another cup holder there, and then the central armrest opens up. You've got plenty of storage space in here. As I briefly mentioned earlier, in terms of upholstery, we've got this really nicely presented part leather. It looks great and it's really comfortable. So for more details, please visit our website at www.chriswroads.co.uk. I'll pop a link to that in the description. Please check out our fantastic reviews and thank you very much for watching.